There's the Greckles. Yeah.
We made lots of friends quickly.
Yes, we made lots of friends quickly. That was so nice.
They're chomping down on those crackers. Yum, yum, yum. Can you see them, Timmy?
Yes, I see them.
Good.
There's a pigeon.
There's a pigeon there too. Oh yeah, there it is. I see it.
Wow, look at them all. Munch, munch, munch.
They're hungry.
Mm-hmm.